Hi guys, thank you for clicking. Today I want to start this video by saying a very big thank you to you for getting us to 1000 subscribers. We really appreciate your support. So if you're new here and you have not subscribed, please don't forget to support our channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell button down below so that you can get notified every time we post a new video. Today we are going to be making a lemon cake, and here are our ingredients. So we have eggs, butter, caster sugar, dried fruits and lemon zest, baking powder, some lemon juice, flour, and sour milk. We are going to start by beating butter and caster sugar till fluffy, then adding the eggs one by one. Guys, as you can see, today I'm using a hand mixer. I prefer using it while making small cakes since it's faster as compared to the big stand mixer. Though in my experience, it's tiring to the arm. Guys, now we're going to mix in our dry ingredients and add them into our mixture. As we mix this, we're going to add the lemon juice and sour milk gradually. So guys, our butter is ready, and at this point you can go ahead and bake it. But I love my lemon cake with an extra flavor, so I'm going to be adding in some lemon zest and dried fruits. There's also people who love their lemon cakes green in color, so you have an option of adding in green food color gel in your butter. Always remember to lock your tin to get rid of air bubbles, and we're going to bake this cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. So guys, our cake is finally out of the oven and it is completely cooled. So we are going to just take it out of the tin, then slice it and serve it. That is just a sprinkle of icing sugar. Amazing. Thank you for watching up to the end of the video. So if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and the bell button down below so that you can get notified every time we post a new video. Bye.